Today, on January 8, 2026, Ethiopia is rewriting its story. The first rays of sunlight over Addis Ababa signal not just a new day, but a new era for the Horn of Africa. This is a moment of transformation, where the dreams of millions are beginning to take shape in ways once thought impossible. Once known for its ancient history and tough times, the country now buzzes with hope and progress. The streets are alive with energy, as modern buildings rise alongside historic landmarks, and the city pulses with the rhythm of change. In Addis Ababa and beyond, millions are experiencing real change, mothers sending money instantly to loved ones in distant villages, families staying connected through technology, and small businesses thriving thanks to digital innovation. Young graduates are launching digital startups, turning creative ideas into reality, and building companies that are shaping the future of Ethiopia's economy. The entrepreneurial spirit is alive, and the youth are leading the way. Farmers too are accessing new markets, using technology to sell their produce beyond their local communities. Rural areas are no longer isolated, as roads and digital platforms connect them to the rest of the country. This transformation is about people, not just numbers. It's about families who can now dream bigger, children who have access to better education, and communities that are more connected than ever before. It's driven by bold decisions, smart technology, and the unstoppable spirit of Ethiopians. Engineers, innovators, and everyday citizens are working together, determined to build a brighter tomorrow. The government opened up to new ideas and investments, shaking up old industries and betting on the private sector. Major infrastructure projects are underway, and international partnerships are bringing fresh opportunities. The result? A more inclusive, resilient nation, empowering women to lead businesses, connecting rural communities with new roads and bridges, and ensuring that no one is left behind in this journey of progress. The youth are gaining the tools and skills they need to succeed, whether in classrooms filled with computers or in hands-on vocational workshops. Education and training are opening doors to new possibilities. Ethiopia is proving that with courage and vision, a nation can build a future that's both prosperous and fair. The world is watching as Ethiopia rises, united in hope, and determined to shape its own destiny. Ethiopia's economy is making headlines, capturing the attention of economists and investors around the globe. For all the right reasons, the country is being recognized as a rising star in Africa, with its people driving innovation and entrepreneurship at every level. In 2024, Manchun suffered Dalban 2025, Ethiopia's economy surged by an impressive 8.8%, a leap that not only outpaces most of the world, but also signals a new era of opportunity and optimism for millions of Ethiopians. Exports soared to a record $8.3 billion, up a staggering 116% from previous years. This remarkable growth shows that Ethiopian products, from world-famous coffee to textiles and manufactured goods, are now in high demand across international markets. This influx of foreign currency is strengthening the Ethiopian birr, boosting investor confidence, and fueling new projects in both urban and rural areas. Growth is broad-based and inclusive. Industry, agriculture, mining, and construction are all booming. Farmers are harvesting more, miners are extracting valuable resources, and factories are running at full capacity. Industrial output alone jumped from 59% to 65% in just 1 year, reflecting a surge in manufacturing and production that is creating thousands of new jobs. The government, encouraged by this momentum and the resilience of its people, now targets an ambitious 9% GDP growth for 2025-2026, aiming to build on these achievements and drive even greater prosperity. These aren't empty promises, they're built on real progress, with new infrastructure projects transforming cities and villages alike, and tangible improvements in daily life. Ethiopia is laying a strong foundation for a stable, prosperous future, investing in education, healthcare, and connectivity to ensure that growth benefits everyone. The world is watching as the country continues its remarkable rise, proving that with determination and vision, extraordinary transformation is possible. Ethiopia's digital revolution is transforming lives at lightning speed. In cities and villages alike, the glow of mobile screens is now a common sight, connecting people in ways that were unimaginable just a decade ago. From the heart of Addis Ababa to the most remote, rural communities, technology is putting power directly into the hands of ordinary Ethiopians. In just 5 years, mobile money users skyrocketed to 60 million, over half of them women. This surge has made it easier than ever for families to send and receive money, pay for goods, and even save for the future, all with a few taps on a phone. This leap in financial inclusion gives ordinary people, especially women, new economic power and independence. Women who once relied on cash or informal networks can now manage their finances securely, start small businesses, and support their families with greater confidence. Across the country, women are seizing new opportunities, launching businesses, accessing credit, and building brighter futures for themselves and their communities. The catalyst: ending the state telecom monopoly in 2021 and inviting private players like Safaricom. This bold move opened the door to competition, innovation, and better services for everyone. Over $8 billion in private investment followed, slashing mobile and internet costs by up to 70%. Suddenly, millions more could afford to get online, unlocking a world of information and opportunity. Ethiopia now ranks among the world's cheapest for mobile data, with coverage reaching even remote areas. Farmers check market prices, students access online lessons, and families stay connected, no matter where they live. This isn't just about connectivity, it's about access to education, jobs, and opportunity. Young people are learning new skills, entrepreneurs are finding customers, and job seekers are discovering new pathways to employment. The digital boom is connecting Ethiopia to itself and the world. Families can stay in touch with loved ones abroad, businesses can reach new markets, and the nation's voice is stronger on the global stage. It's a foundation for lasting growth and prosperity, setting the stage for a future where every Ethiopian can thrive in the digital age. Ethiopia has thrown open its economic doors. Floating the birr lets the market set its value, attracting foreign investors. The banking sector is now open to international competition, bringing better services and more choices. These reforms are part of a bold, homegrown, economic reform agenda, cutting red tape and empowering the private sector. The message is clear: Ethiopia is open for business. Local entrepreneurs and global investors are responding with confidence. The focus is shifting from state control to private innovation and enterprise. By opening telecoms and banking, Ethiopia is inviting partnership and shared growth. The country is building a dynamic, resilient economy for the future. Credit is fueling Ethiopia's growth. In 2024-2025, banks pumped over 822 billion birr into the economy, 77% of it to private businesses. This shift empowers entrepreneurs and sparks job creation. The digital sector is booming. Since 2022, over 3,000 new digital firms have launched, creating 24,000 skilled jobs. These are modern careers for Ethiopia's talented youth, keeping opportunity at home. As businesses grow, they hire more people, who in turn fuel demand and further growth. It's a virtuous cycle spreading prosperity across the country. By backing private enterprise and digital innovation, Ethiopia is building a foundation for inclusive, long-term growth. The benefits are reaching more people than ever before. Inflation has been a major challenge, but Ethiopia is turning the tide. In 2024-2025, annual inflation dropped from 19.9% to 13.9%, a significant improvement. Careful government spending, better supply chains, and smarter monetary policy are making a difference. Lower inflation brings relief to families and stability to the economy. The government's next goal: single-digit inflation in 2025-2026. Achieving this will create a predictable environment for business and household planning. Managing inflation is key to making growth sustainable. The recent progress shows real commitment to the well-being of ordinary Ethiopians. Taming inflation ensures everyone benefits from the country's economic success. Ethiopia's digital boom relies on real infrastructure. Over 2,500 new mobile towers now connect towns and villages nationwide. But it's not just about hardware. Digital skills are essential. The government has trained 12,000 university staff and nearly 200,000 students in digital literacy and coding. This investment prepares the next generation for the jobs of tomorrow. A FATA digital ID program with 13 million registered is making access to services easier and more secure. New data protection laws safeguard citizens' information. Ethiopia is building not just networks, but a complete digital ecosystem. The country is ready for a future powered by technology and talent. This is how Ethiopia is ensuring its digital transformation lasts. Ethiopia's vision goes beyond growth. It's about self-reliance. Transforming agriculture is central to this goal. A new large-scale fertilizer plant will end dependence on imports and boost farmers' productivity. Local fertilizer means higher yields, more food, and better incomes for millions. Food self-sufficiency protects the nation from global shocks and strengthens rural economies. This holistic approach creates jobs from farm to table. Ethiopia's rapid transformation is powered by bold reforms and investment in its people. The country is building a new narrative, one of empowerment, progress, and hope. Ethiopia's future is being shaped by the hands and ambition of its own people.